the Looney Balloony Learning Center. My name is Tess, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Prima line of balloons. These were generously given to me by SKS Novelty here in Ontario, Canada, and they are the distributors for Prima. And I'm going to do a nice little review for them and try them out. So we're going to start with the 11 inchers. First of all, I love the packaging. It's 100% recyclable, so I love that. Always good for the environment when we can do that. And we're going to start with their 11 inchers. I'm going to make a little quad here for you to see how they handle. All right. They blow up very, very nicely. I love the color. They have a nice firm feeling to them, but not overly stiff, which is nice. Easy to handle. I would compare this pink color to the Sempertex pastel matte pink. It's very pretty. It might be a little washed out in the video, but it's very pretty in person. And my issue with them is they're a little slippery. So getting them to sit flat on their own, fresh out of the bag, is almost impossible. Okay, but we're gonna put a little weight on it. All right, so the weight helps, definitely. Sort of. All right, here we go. I'm gonna do one more quad. They're nice to handle. Their big selling feature is the extra long necks, which are very appreciated when we are doing something like this, where we're going to be tying with they're very slippery, tying with the necks down. So I'm going to bring it down on either side, tie it off. The slippery is an issue, let me tell you. But with the weight in there, it helps a lot. Okay, and I really like them. They're holding up really well. In fact, I'll show you. I first got these almost 2 months ago now, and I did a quad, and I first did this review on our weekly Facebook Lives that I do, and so this has been for 2 months, and this is the same quad situation. I added some of their 5-inch to it. They're not, the 5-inch aren't holding up, but again, 2 months. I did put a Sempertex quad on here as a control so I could see how they're holding up. Equal, absolutely equal. They're doing well. I like the oxidized look of these. They look kind of frosted, very, very nice look. And after 2 months, man, these have passed the test of time. But I like them very much. Price point is very similar as well to the Sempertex and Tuftex. They're all sort of they're not the cheapest, but they're not the most expensive out there either. So they're at a really good price point. I would recommend using them. I look forward to SKS getting in more color SKUs as the rollout continues. It'll be wonderful. And it's a nice alternate brand to use or to become your primary line. I would seriously consider it. They hold up so nicely. Well done, Conwin, and their subsidiary, Prima. Job well done. Love them. All right, everyone, take care, and hope you enjoy your journey of ballooning it yourself. Mwah!